Again, you talk about above and beyond. A lady that I want to recognize that I'm going to embarrass the dickens out of, and she's already given me dirty looks, is our executive director, Brenda Palmer. I couldn't list all the things that she did throughout the entire lockdown for COVID. One of the things I'm going to start with is that she organized a bunch of, I call them happy sewers, that she had enough material donated to cover a couple semis. And she had a number of ladies that got together and sewed masks. And this was at the outset. This was at the beginning when, there were no masks to be found. And what PPE there was going to first responders. And Brenda just did it. Nobody on the chamber said, hey Brenda, this would be a good idea for you to do. Every time something came on the internet that had to do with local businesses, Brenda was on top of it. She posted it on our webpage. She made sure that members and non-members were contacted about anything that could be helpful for them. She was just an absolute trooper throughout the entire COVID situation. So again, I tip my hat on really above and beyond to Brenda Palmer.
Thank you for the kind words, Jerry. I do want to say it wasn't just me. It took everybody to pitch in. And I have quite the list of people that I want to say thank you for their help in getting masks out to the community, in distributing, in arranging materials and pickups and drop-offs and deliveries, and so many things went into getting this done for the community. We had a nomination of Cheryl Allen of North Judson as a Stark County helper. Thank you, Cheryl. In the spring, she made hundreds of masks, which she gave away to people she knew who were volunteering or serving in some way. During the entire public health crisis, she has also continued to be a regular volunteer for both Kids Closet and the Food Pantry. Both of those ministries saw an increase in need over the past few months, and we would have never been able to meet that need without Cheryl's help. That came from Reverend Sean Johnson at the North Judson UMC. Thank you so much for all your help, Cheryl. Our personal sewers, and I don't have everybody's name, so please do not think you are not appreciated if you didn't give me your name and I don't have you written down. But the people that I know, without any doubt, were a part of this was Sharon Faust, Jennifer Carnegie, Pamela Burkett, Lorinda Farkas, Angie Monahan, Carola Heistet, Pastor Rick Norris, Carol Missick, Rebecca Kirk, Susan Goebel, Valerie Williams, Karaman Mann, J.J. Marie, Kathy Brown, D&M Family Staffing, Donna DeRuntz, Stark County Hospital, Affordable Insurance, Stark County Auditor's Office, Stark County Government, Stark County Community Services, Stark County Youth Club, the Leader of Stark County, the Market, Stark County Community Foundation, Stark County Economic Development Foundation, the Mayor's Office of the City of Knox, the County Health Department, and especially a huge shout out to Nurse Frank Lynch. So many people have worked to show what a wonderful community Stark County is, and I'm so proud to be a part of it. So thank you, everybody. This year has been different, and the next one you're going to hear for has a different term for it. She might have gotten it from me, but thank you again for letting me be a part of everybody's lives. Thanks.
Stark County Chamber of Commerce, thank you for all that you've done for all of us over the years, and the board. I love you guys. All that you've had to deal with this year. What a shit show. I probably shouldn't have said that. I'm sorry, everyone. Please don't crucify me for that, but the horrible year that we've had to deal with for COVID-19, wrecking our businesses, everything that we have had to muddle through, the added stress of having to figure out how are we going to function, how are we going to keep people working, how are we going to feed our families, how are we going to get our children to school. And you guys have still been promoting businesses. You've still found a way to keep us all networking. And Brenda Palmer, you are a rock star because you have just kept us all glued together. And all of you in the board, all of you still stay committed to all of us businesses. And I'm grateful to all of you. Thank you so much for all that you've done and all that you do. I have so much gratitude for you. Forever I will. And we'll all get through this. I know we will. Thank you so much, you guys. Thank you.